Hey guys, this video is for multiplying mixed numbers. Alright, so to do that, the first step you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make each mixed number an improper fraction. So to do that, you do the whole number times denominator. So 3 times 4 is 12. Then you're going to take that number and add it to the numerator. So we're going to have 12 plus 1. And in my other video, this is what I call the NASCAR strategy. So then we have 13 over 4, your denominator stays the same, times 2 times 3 is going to be 6, 6 plus 1 is going to be 7. So that becomes 7/3. Okay, and then now we're multiplying across. All right, so 13 times 7 is 91. And I would tell the kids to check that because a lot of times they don't just know these. Okay, and then 4 times 3 is 12. All right, so now we simplify by dividing the bottom to the top or dividing the numerator by the denominator. So we're going to say 12 into 91. I know 12 can go into 91 7 times. 7 times 12 is 84. Subtract. 11 minus 4 is 7. Okay, so now my answer is 7 7/12. Okay, so 3 1/4 times 2 1/3 equals 7 7/12. Okay, so now let's do it. Let's say that this is an area. Let's pretend this is a garden, and it's 5 2/3 yards long by 3 1/6 yards wide. So we're going to multiply it because area is how much stuff something covers. So we find area by multiplying the length times the width. So we're going to say 5 2/3 times 3 1/6, and then we're going to follow the same procedure. All right, so 5 times 3 will be 15. 15 plus 2, so I get 17/3 times 3 times 6 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19/6. And again, we multiply across. The denominator is a lot easier. 3 times 6 is 18. Now, 17 times 19. I don't just know that fact. So I'm going to come to the side and I'm going to multiply. Okay. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. We put our placeholder. So I get 3. So I get 323. So this becomes 323/18. Okay, and so now I simplify that by dividing the numerator by the denominator. Okay, and so 18 can go into 32 one time. 1 times 18 is 18. Subtract. And then I get 14. Bring down my 3. Okay, so 18 can go into 143. The way I think about that is I say, well, 18 is close to 20, and I know 20 times 7 is 140. So wonder if 18 times 7 will work. 7 times 8 is 56. And then 7 times 1 plus 5 is 12. So 7 works because I can't add another group of 18 without passing 143. So 7 times 18, 126. I subtract. I get 17. So my answer is 17 17/18 yard. And that is multiplying mixed numbers. Email me with any questions.